In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to stop your swivel chair from sinking. And you guess what? With a duct tape. So before you go out there and start spending a whole bunch of money on some new chair, you might want to give this a try. So without further ado, let's get into it. You need the duct tape. You need some rubbing alcohol. And of course you need the pair of scissors to cut the duct tape. You need some paper towel. And a pair of gloves for some protection. Alright, so
girl, I know you like the way I do it. Smoking kind of cash, all this money get into it. If she not bad, most likely won't pursue.
So first of all, you take the paper towel, spray a little rubbing alcohol.
Into it. If she not bad, most likely won't pursue it. It's a chill day, tomorrow we gon' redo it.
And give that surface we're going to be working on a quick wipe down. And if you want to know the reason why we're using rubbing alcohol, we use rubbing alcohol to keep the surface we're going to be working on degreased. Now we're going to take the tape. Now you want to wrap the duct tape around the pet surface a couple of times. And what this does is they keep the shaft from sinking all the time. Yeah, and I think cut the tape off. I weigh 100 kilos, so this is enough weight to keep the chair from staying up. Well, it wouldn't sink again, so it's a fix. And before you guys start laughing, I was able to save a $50 chair with a cheap duct tape. This is a whole 100 kilos sitting on the chair, and it wouldn't sink. So, if you guys like this content, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and watch out for more videos coming. Peace.